Business rule developers benefit from being able to edit JavaScript operations externally using Visual Studio Code. It provides autocompletion, embedded documentation, and full access to the STEP public API, all incredibly valuable for writing clean, efficient business rules. But there has always been one major drawback: testing. Today, testing a business rule while developing it in Visual Studio Code is a time-consuming loop. Here's the typical workflow from the perspective of a developer. You edit your rule in VS Code. You save the temporary JavaScript file. You go back to Workbench. You close the edit.js file pop-up. You run the built-in test feature. And if something needs to be changed, you have to go back to VS Code and repeat the entire cycle. This constant context switching breaks the developer's flow. It slows down development. It makes testing painful. And when you're iterating 10, 20, or even 30 times while refining a rule, that overhead really adds up. With this release, we're introducing a brand new Visual Studio Code plugin for STEP business rules, and it fundamentally changes how developers test their rules. This is a huge step forward. Once the plugin is installed, developers can now edit their business rules in VS Code, use full autocompletion, bindings, and documentation, authenticate once using their STEP credentials, run test executions directly from Visual Studio Code. No more switching between applications. No more save, close, test, reopen cycles. The plugin generates a fully structured project, including configuration files, bindings, documentation, and a test execution environment. Developers simply hit the debug button, and the rule executes instantly against the test object selected while invoking the Visual Studio Code editor. This means faster iterations, cleaner workflows, and a far more modern development experience. And although this may look like a small feature on the surface, it's actually a major shift. It's the first time STEP supports an official VS Code plugin, opening the door for richer tooling and more advanced development experiences in the future. The first and most important step is getting the new STEP Business Rule plugin. You can download it directly from the technical documentation, JavaScript Business Rules testing section in your STEP environment. Just grab the VSIX file to start enabling the new testing experience. Next, install the plugin in Visual Studio Code. Open the Extensions panel, select the three-dot menu, choose Install from VSIX, and pick the file you downloaded. With the plugin installed, Visual Studio Code is now fully enabled for editing and testing business rules. Back in STEP Workbench, open your JavaScript business rule and click Edit Externally. With the latest enhancement, STEP now displays a new prompt asking you to choose how you want to edit the rule. Select Edit in VS Code to use the integrated VS Code workflow. When you choose this option, STEP additionally asks you to select a test object. The selected test object is passed to the VS Code plugin and will be used when you execute the built-in test function directly from VS Code. Once the test object is selected, Visual Studio Code launches automatically. The rule is loaded into a plugin-enabled project environment that is fully configured for both development and execution-based testing, allowing you to edit and validate your logic without switching back and forth to Workbench. A complete project is now generated automatically, including bindings, documentation files, and configuration for the test environment. Everything you need is right here. The familiar autocompletion and inline documentation are all here, helping developers write rules faster, with fewer mistakes, and full visibility into the STEP public API. With the plugin installed, we can now run and debug the business rule directly from Visual Studio Code. The very first time you execute the rule, an authentication flow is triggered automatically. A browser window opens, prompting you to authenticate against your STEP environment. Once authentication is successful, the browser displays a confirmation message. You can then close the browser window and return to VS Code. Simply click the debugger, and the rule executes instantly. No switching back to Workbench, no closing any windows, no extra steps. The result appears right here in VS Code. Make a change, and test again immediately. This eliminates dozens of clicks and context switches, dramatically speeding up the development process. And that's it. A smoother, faster, more modern way to develop business rules in STEP, all from Visual Studio Code. Try out the plugin and let us know what you think.